Hey guys, welcome back. So it's me Rajan Sharma and today I'm back with a new video. So guys, in this video we will learn that how can we implement set on click listener on these following options: unsend, details, option 1, option 2. So guys, here I will make this option 1, delete. Yeah, sorry, download. So we can easily download the media, audio and images that we are sending through messages in this social media app using Firebase. So guys, first of all, here you have to make a change, and that is you have to increase the child, and that will be string, and this string should be, I mean, not string, we will make it long, and that will be for delete. You know why? Because we need some exact value for deleting that particular message, understand? So that's why I'm increasing it. So after this you have to select it, then alt plus insert, then getter and setter, and then enter. So now guys, we have this getter and setter, so you have to simply cut this code from here and then go in this bottom and then control plus V. So guys, now we have getter and setter for this, so we can proceed. So after this what you have to do is just simply open this send image, and you know guys, it is our activity where we are sending image through chat. So you have to do a very simple step, and that will be, and why is it showing error? Require simple version codes. I think it's because of but it should not create any problem. Why suddenly it is started creating problem? It requires API annotation. Yeah, now it is solved. So yeah, we can proceed with it. So guys, yeah, what here I was gonna do, you have to simply do is here write long, that will be current time equals to, and that will be guys, yeah, system dot current millis, and why is it showing error? Navigate, sorry, delete, you can also give delete time, that will be fine. So after this guys, we can do is just write message member dot set delete, that will be delete time. You know guys, this current millis is a unique value, and it is very unique for every second. That's why I'm implementing this like this. So after this you have to copy this same line from here, control plus C, and then you have to go back in this message activity. And guys, here we are sending data in two methods. First of all, we are sending text messages, and we are also sending again same problem. It is solved. So I will see it in future, but for now we can do one thing, is that guys, here you can see that we are sending that message. As I said, we are sending message from two sides. So what you have to do is just simply control plus V, and then here you have to write message member dot set delete, that will be delete time. Yeah, exactly. And then after this we can go just above here, because we are also sending audio file for now. So for sending that audio file, you have to also increase that child. Yeah, here you can see that the type is audio, so write message member dot set delete, and that will be uh, yeah, we have to paste that code. So here you can write delete time. Yeah, that's all. And guys, after implementing this, you have to do is just simply delete all the previous messages from real-time database, understand? Then it will not create any problem. And now we are very close. Now I think we should not have any error. This is still showing red, and so guys, you can see that we added all the things that we need to add. And then after this you can see that we have this delete time for deleting the messages. And then after this we can proceed for now. After this you have to, now because we have added that extra string in the send image activity, and then we have also added it in this message activity. So now we can do is we can implement set on click listener in this message activity. So open it back, and then guys, what you have to do is just come here in this method for close this on start, and here we have this So you can make this option 1 download. So yeah, now we have this. So guys, we can do is, yeah, now we have to add some parameters. So just open this on start and then close this one folder play sender and holder.sender tv. So you can see that we have given this method in our previous tutorial. So for now we have to do is yeah, we need to retrieve some data, and that is called yeah, string. That will be uh, sender. First of all, delete current millis. So simply write get item position dot get delete, and then again string. Sorry, it is not a string, it is a long, yeah. And now here you have to retrieve the type equals to get item position dot get type, understand. And now after this you have to retrieve image URI equals to get item position dot get image. So that's how we can retrieve the URL of that particular image. And then after this we need date equals to get item then position dot get date, then string get time equals to get item position dot get time. And then after this I think do we need something else? Time audio, yeah, time we have image URI and date and time. So I think we should also retrieve the username string sender name. So sender equals to get item position dot get sender name and semicolon. So for now we have all these parameters that we need. So here you have to give that parameter. So first of all give delete, then type, and then image URI, then date, then time, then sender name. Now we have all the parameters. Click on this, and then yeah. So this time when you will open the create message dialog, so here you can see that we have all the parameters that we added above. See, because we need these parameters for implementing set on click listener. And now I will show you in this tutorial uh, how you can do this. So that's a very simple part, it's not a complex thing. What you have to do here is first of all are click on this unsend dot set on click listener, set on click listener, then new on click listener, yeah. So when the user will click on the unsend button, so what we will do, we will perform an action. So that action will completely delete the data, and that's quite simple process. What you have to do is open just fragment 4, and here we are already retrieving, I mean implementing codes for deleting the post. So we just need to copy some lines, and then it will be easy for us to implement. Guys, when you do something for the very first time, then sometimes it's difficult, but when you do it again and again, then it's easy. So you can just copy, for now you can copy the download codes here, and then control plus C. Actually we came for unsend, but now we are implementing for download. Write download dot set on click listener, then new, then on click listener. So here I will do is simply paste that codes, and now we have this get activity error. So here you have to first of all make the type. Guys, we have three types. Here for image we have I, and for audio we have A, and for text we have T, I think, yeah. So we just need to validate this thing very easily, understand. So first of all you have to see that, first of all we will check that if it is because our text has nothing to do with download button, but image and audio have something. So else if type dot equals audio. Yeah, then after this delete this code, not entire code, just one line. And then what you have to do is yeah, here instead of name you have to give sender name, and here again you have to give sender name. Now we have the sender name, understand? So now you need to change the, so you can see that it is image, and for image you have to give image URI, understand? And then for audio you have to give we need to add audio also, which is not added. Yes, so here you have to also write audio, then click on this add string as second parameter, so audio. Then after this you need to write is string audio. Now fine, error will be gone. So now we have this audio, so we can proceed. Yes guys, so here you have to make it mp3 because it is audio, understand? And here you have to make this one audio, and then here URI pass you have to give that audio value, audio. And then after this you have to make it main activity, and it is message activity, so you have to write message activity dot message activity dot this. So you have to do the same thing here, message activity dot this. And now where is the error? I think now we are almost done. And yeah, the another toast message, toast error. And then instead of this get activity, so wherever we are using get activity you need to write message activity dot this, and then it will work. Yeah, so now you can see that the error is solved and the toast is downloaded. And then you have to copy this line, control plus C, and then guys you have to just simply control plus V paste it. So now we are doing, I think almost everything is correct, nothing is wrong. Make sure to change this JPEG, I mean make sure to change this extension because it may create problem. So for now I think it's pretty right. And here we are also implementing this permission listener, so in case that if you don't have a permission of storage, so you can easily ask for that and then it will work pretty good. And then now we are done with this download button, so I will go back in this fragment 4 for deleting codes. And yes, so here you can see that we have this code, so you have to copy this query from here, and then this storage reference code 2, then go back here, and when the user will click on the delete button, so we will implement something. So click on this and then simply, actually for deleting we also need to validate that if type dot equals to image. So if it is image, then what we will do, else if type dot equals to t. So first of all I will give t, and then I will give image, and then I will give else, not like this, sorry. So then after this I will give else if type dot equals so this time we will do is audio. Yeah, so now we have three conditions, that if it is text, so what we will do, so if it is text, so we will simply paste the codes. And then after this I will cut this line from here, control plus X, and then I will paste that here and also here, because guys this is code for deleting the file from storage reference, so we have nothing to do with it in this text, so that's why I deleted that code from here. And here you need to write is delete, and you need to give root ref1 and make this one root ref1, and you have to give that here. root ref, and just I said that instead of this you need to write toast deleted. Then after this you have to copy this code, control plus C and then control plus V, root ref 1, root ref 1, it will be root ref 2, and that will be fine. So guys, now you can see that it's working pretty good, and that's how you can delete the messages. And what is it creating problem? I think everything is good. So now root ref delete. Actually I just don't want root ref delete. And yes, just delete this codes. I don't like this red signal, that's why I delete codes. Yeah. So guys, now we are done with this text. So when the deleting message is text, so we will delete it. Fine. And now after this we will handle images. We have to do the same thing, paste the code here, but this time we need to make it is yeah. So now because we have this, so the code will be same, it will not be different. You can copy this one again, control plus C, and then you have to paste that code again here, control plus V, and it's pretty good. Yeah, you can see. So this time, guys, what we will do is you have to make this URL is image URI, because we are deleting images. And then you have to copy this codes of query, then control plus C, and then go back, and then here instead of inside this audio you have to paste it, and then after this you have to make it audio, and then you need to show a toast message that deleted. Then after this control plus C, copy this code, and then here control plus V. So guys, you can see that we implemented unsend message and downloading features successfully, very successfully, without any error. And for now, yeah, that's pretty good. So we have this unsend and download button. So after this we have this details button. So when the user will click on that details button, so you can implement that too. Set on click listener, then new, then on click listener. So when the user will click on details button, so we will do very simple thing. You can show some text view, or some kind of let me open this. So details, we can go in this bottom, and here you can simply show is text view, that will be match parent wrap content, and text should be date, and then ID, date, mo, message options, and text color, it should be Android gray, I think fine, it will be good. And then padding, uh, 4 dp, I think it's good. And then text size, 13 sp, I think it's good again. So copy this, and then after this you need to control plus C, control plus V, because we need to show three things, I think. Date and time, that's two things is enough, I think. Yeah. So after this that's for date, and it should be for time. So give time, and then you have to make it time mo, and then visibility gone, and visibility gone, done. Go back here, and then you have to increase the text views. So simply copy this code from here, control plus C, and then you can paste that here, and this time you have to make it date TV, and time TV, and this time it will be date mo, and then time mo. So when the user will click on that details button, so we will simply do is that's pretty easy thing. Yeah, we will do is date TV dot set text, that will be date, and that will be date, and then date. So write like this, then control plus C, this time time TV, so we will make it time and then time. So I think it is two data that we need to show, understand? And for now, first of all, what we will do is that if type dot equals to text, so what we will do is we will make download dot set clickable false, or instead of false you can also make it set visibility gone, else download button set visibility visible. So as you can see that if it is text, so we will make the download button because you cannot download text messages, understand? So that doesn't make sense, that's why I'm making it invisible, I mean gone. So you can see that now we implemented three buttons successfully: download, delete and unsend. So guys, you this option 2 is still left. So if you guys think that you want to add some another features, so you can do it by your own. It's not a complex thing, guys. You just need to implement you just need a value for doing that. So you have to add that value here in this parameter section, and then you guys will be able to increase the options and decrease the options, depends on you. So it's actually kind of homework. If you want to add more features you can add, if you want to remove those features, so it will be on you. And guys, you have to give this method create message dialog in sender TV, and as well as also in senders mm, yeah, sender IV, sender TV. You can see that this is sender IV. So here you have to simply copy this and then paste it, and this time it should be sender IV sender. And then you can also uh, sender play sender, or a lot of things you can but the thing that will be same is that you have to give the same method for that, and when you will long press when you will long press on this button, so it will create that dialog, and then you will be able to do all the things that you want to do. So that's a pretty good thing, and then you have to also, no, not here. So and then you also need to do is date TV dot set visibility visible, and then you also need to do is time TV dot set visibility visible. So it will make it visible and it will show you the data that you need to see, and when it will be successfully deleted, so here you need to make is dialog dot dismiss. Don't forget to write this line in the ending, because dialog dot dismiss, and it will give a good impression. So when you will do this, so write dialog dot dismiss. Yeah, so then it will work pretty good, I think. Yeah, so when it will be downloaded successfully, so you can make it dialog dot dismiss, and same thing here, dialog dot dismiss. Yeah, so it's a good thing, dialog dot dismiss. So guys, that's all for this video, and I will not implement option 2. I'm still thinking about this option 2, but if I will get any idea in future, so I will implement. But you guys can also add some feature in case if you want. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and guys don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. And guys, please join the membership of our channel, because I'm providing source code for very low price. And I hope you guys will, if you guys like my tutorials, so guys please join my membership, because I just need it. And please share my channel and like my videos, because it makes me happy, and I'm doing a really hard work. I'm trying really hard for you guys to create awesome tutorials. So